this is Meredith with Organic Lines Art and Design, and today I'm going to be making a sweet little skeleton keychain using simple macrame techniques. All right, thank you for joining me, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to do macrame, you need some kind of a cord, and there is such a thing as a macrame type of a cord that's kind of like rope. But I'm using glow-in-the-dark yarn just because this is Halloween related. And I might use some, this is called satin rat tail. And it just depends what will fit inside our beads. So you'll need beads to act as the head. I have some washi tape here to keep things in place, my scissors, and to create the faces, I have some markers. All right, so I'm gonna do my cute little heart-shaped eyes for a skeleton head. Okay, so we have our skeleton's legs here, the top here, and then this string is going to create its rib cage and little arms. So find the center it up, and we're gonna start working our way up to the arms using square knots. So it's easy to do. Just follow what I do. And just don't pull it super hard because you want these little knobbies on either side. So you do one side, this goes under, just like that. And then the other side. So it's creating its little rib cage. So we did 1, 2, one more. Perfect. So now we're just going to put a little knot here and a little knot here. The first knot will be its elbow. And the second knot will be its little hand.
Okay, so just charge her up in some sunlight for a couple of minutes. And you can see how she glows in this dark area. Oh, don't fall.
Well, that was super duper quick and easy and a wonderful way to start learning the art of macrame. So we have our adorable little jack-o'-lantern and our glow-in-the-dark skeleton. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did and continue to follow me with Organic Lines Art and Design. Happy Halloween!